My name's Kate.
I'm Kaylee.
We work at Craft World and Knit Now, and we have been lucky enough to get one of these to unbox for you guys. This is the Knit+Wear box, which is a brand new knitting subscription, and I'm very excited to see what's inside. You've already had a sneak peek, haven't you?
Not too much of one.
You
I did have a tiny little
little look.
Yes.
A little look. So we're going to have a proper look inside now. So the top says knit with confidence and wear with style, which is very nice. So let's go in. Let's go in.
Literally is Christmas unwrapping a present.
Even this tissue paper is so nice. Ooh. Okay, so looks like we've got some pattern here. Oh, there's a little tag so you can sew it into the back of your jumper when you've finished. A little card from Knit+Wear with a discount code. And this is our pattern. It's called Heath, and we've got it. So we pre-chose the size, didn't we?
Yeah. So there's several different patterns you can choose from with this subscription box. And you can get a range of sizes, so you can make what's going to work for you.
So this is Heath, which is a beautiful, easy to wear raglan cardigan, which has instructions inside, nice and easy to follow by the looks of things. Quite a simple, straightforward, quick and satisfying knit, yep. I would reckon. Oh, we've got a project bag in here. A little drawstring, and look at that.
Oh,
it's organic cotton, so they're thinking about all of the details with this. That's really lovely. So even the little project bag that comes in it, which is printed with Knit+Wear, that's organic cotton.
Into the really exciting stuff.
I will let you dive into this.
So we have got 12 balls here of Rowan Alpaca Soft DK.
Oh, that's
it's
nice.
Very soft and lovely. So this is extra fine, super fine merino.
Yes, extra fine, super fine, both.
And baby alpaca, shade 00223. And it's lovely, as you can see, a lovely baby pink colour. And this is going to be really nice to have in a jacket.
So soft and squishy, and it's all packed carefully so it's not going to rattle around anywhere. But equally, this packing, it's not shedding at all on the yarn, so you're not going to get any messy bits and pieces. It's just so, it feels like a treat, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a really nice luxury box of yarn and a lovely pattern to make as well. And just these little touches like the weight, which make it really special.
Even, okay, you're going to think I'm daft here, but that is a little rose gold paper clip. It's not just a normal paper clip. Oh no, it's fancy. So it all ties in together. So that's what's inside a Knit+Wear box.
And when the box was delivered as well, it came in a really nice, sturdy, solid cardboard box.
Yeah, because this outer box is all still intact and in good shape.
Nice. You want to keep everything together, don't you? So I think this box is really nice to be able to keep. You can, with this subscription, you can choose between a one-off. You can just buy the kit once and that's it, or you can also buy
you can sign up for a recurring subscription.
Yeah.
And it's all run by the folks at Quail, who work a lot with Rowan. They're really trustworthy. They're really good people. Their patterns are always excellent.
Good high quality stuff.
Yeah, so I would definitely say, like, I would trust the patterns in this because I know where they're coming from. Yeah, I think I might be asking for one for Christmas.
I was about to say that would be a really nice treat, wouldn't it?
Yeah, definitely. So it's quite a sort of straightforward thing. It's a sweater in a box, but it's got all of those little extra details, which I think are really nice. So we'll leave all the details for you to see where you can go to sign up, all of that kind of fun stuff. And if you want more knitting inspiration ideas, come over to craftworld.com. We've got loads for you. Kaylee has Knit Now magazine, which again, not that we're biased, but it is the best knitting magazine in the world. And yeah, if you've got any questions, shoot them our way, and we will see you again soon.
See you later.